Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you are going to put monetization or ads to your Premiere. Okay, so here this is your home. This is my home, and you can see on the bottom there's join, analytics, and edit video. So all you need to do is click edit video, and then goes here. So this is my Premiere. So as you can see there on top, so that's the video, and it's set up to be watched on what's the date? Tomorrow. Okay, so around 3 p.m. Okay, and I already set it up. So this is no, it's not made for kids. So the purpose of this is to put comments on the comment section. Otherwise, if you are going to click yes, it made for kids, then there's no comment, or you turn off your comment section. Okay, so it's there, so people can put their comments on my Premiere. Okay, and I'm going to select that and put it on my playlist. I can just put it like tourist places because it's a place to buy flowers. Okay, so now all you need to do is to click this part here, monetization. So that's the place you are going to click to put your ads or to turn on your ads. And here you can see here it's off, so you need to turn that on. So click here, arrow down, click on, and here there are some terms here that you need to agree. Okay, so here you need to declare if this is inappropriate language. So if no, then don't click anything. Adult content, so if this is not an adult content, so there's no violence, shocking content, so there's no harmful, no recreational drug, no hateful, no firearms, no sensitive events, no controversial issues. Okay, so I need to click none of the above. Okay, so here, as you can see here on top, so I am eligible for the revenue sources like ads, YouTube Premium, and others. Okay, so I need to submit that. Okay, and here you can edit as well how you are going to put your ads. So overlay ads, sponsored ads, skippable ads, non-skippable, so it's up to you. And here on the bottom you can also click during video or after video. Okay, so I want to click everything. Okay, so when you're done, you need to save it. Don't forget to save your edit. Okay, so when you're done, it's set up, but you need to wait until it's done. So as you can see here on the okay, so now it's set up. So here you can see that there's $sign here, so meaning to say it's set up. So now let's see. I want to go back, and I think I am ready. Okay, so I am ready. So tomorrow 6/3/21 4 p.m. so it's set up for my Premiere. So when it's time, when the time's ready, so it's automatically adding an ads, so or it's monetized already. Okay, so that's how you are going to put ads to your premiere video or on your premiere video. Okay, so guys, if you like my video, then click like, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel, and of course don't forget to share it with your friends if you think this is very useful video. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.